this is our 12th lesson, and this lesson we are going to learn how to change our font with our test activities, then how to add a style. That is, we are going to add a bevel and embossment style to our test. Now we already have our test here. In the previous lesson we learned how to type or how to apply our test. So we have our test here. So we are going to change the font. So if you want to change the font, make sure your test is selected at the layer side, then your test 2 is also selected. Then you come to this side, you see that you have area rounded something there. So you click on the drop down arrow here, or the icon, or the fonts in Photoshop will appear. So you can select any of the fonts. Okay, so let me select this one, area. Set area. You see that the area has changed. The style or the format, the font has changed. So you can select the star, the font style. If you want to regular, okay, let's select narrow. You see, okay, you can select black. See how it will appear. You see. So this is how we select our font and the font style. Good. Now let's add the style. We are going to add bevel and embossment to our test. Now we go to FX, then you go to bevel and embossment. Go to bevel and embossment. Now with the bevel and embossment, we are going to tackle with the size and the size. So let's increase the size. You see, okay, let me change the color. Let me change the color of let me change the color so that we can see it well. Okay, this color will be okay. Okay, so whilst you are increasing the size, you watch your work. You see that the work is changing. So don't increase the size. Don't make the size too big. You see, if you make it too big, your work will be in different form. So whilst you are moving your side, you watch your work. You see, it's okay. Then the softness, whilst you are moving it, you watch your work to see the way that you want to make sure your work suits what you want. So this is how you add bubbles and embossment. You see that your test looks more like a 3D format. So this is another way of adding styles to our test. Thank you and God bless you for watching. So after that you click on OK, then it will be applied to your test.